If you wanna play EA Sports FC 26 online, there are plenty of modes you can jump into and compete against real players around the world. The most popular one is Ultimate Team. In this mode, you collect player cards, build your own squad and manage team chemistry. You will need to make sure players are in the right position to get the best performance out of your team. It can be a bit challenging at the start, especially if you're just beginning your journey, but that's what makes it fun and rewarding. Within Ultimate Team, you can explore different game types. Rivals is great if you are after a more competitive experience, while the Rush mode offers something faster and more dynamic. You can also complete squad building challenges to earn rewards and use the transfer market to buy and sell player cards to strengthen your team. Another online mode is Clubs. Here you create your own pro player, customize their name, attributes and play style, and even choose archetypes that define how your player performs on the pitch. You can form your own club and invite up to 10 other real players or join an existing team. It's a great mode to enjoy with friends and build chemistry together. There is also Seasons mode, which is more straightforward but still competitive. You simply choose a real football team and climb through the divisions. You can even play co-op seasons with a friend and aim for Division 1 together. And finally, if you're just looking for something casual, there are online friendlies. These are simple one-off matches against the other players where you can just have fun without worrying about ranks or rewards. And yeah, that's a quick overview of online play in FC 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.